Let's take a look at the crop and rotate tools. You'll get images like this once in a while where you need to level the photograph or you need to crop it. Um, Pictures that are angled like this don't look great, especially in a portfolio. So we always want to try and keep the horizon line, horizontal, parallel to the bottom of the photograph. So I'm going to show you how to rotate and I'm going to show you how to crop. They're actually two different tools. If you only need to crop, then you only need to use the crop tool. Um, but let's get started with rotation. So over here in your toolbox, you have the crop tool there. And then your rotation tool is actually hidden under the perspective tool here. So what you're going to do is come over here to your toolbar. You're going to right click on it and then that will let you choose the rotate tool. So the first thing you're going to want to do is rotate and then crop. So we want to rotate this till we get our image to be, parallel how we want it. And then you're going to hit the enter key and it will rotate it. Now you'll notice these weird checkerboard areas. That is simply showing you that there's artboard there that doesn't have image in it anymore, so it'll be blank. So we need to crop to get rid of that. So we've used the rotate tool over here in the top left. We're going to switch to the crop tool. And that's going to allow us to drag a rectangle. And you want to try and keep this rectangular similar to what your photograph proportions were. And then you can drag that, make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do. I can make it bigger by dragging any of the four corner boxes. I can make it wider by dragging the side box. It's up to you which ones you need to use. And I can recompose this. So now I have a rule of thirds picture. So once I'm satisfied with that, I can just hit enter again. And it's cropped my photograph. You do want to watch when you're cropping. You don't want to crop really small in your original image because that means that the final image, which is going to be smaller, is not going to enlarge as much without getting pixelated. So you don't want to eliminate a ton of the photograph if you can help it. And that's the rotate and crop tool.